Okay, so we've done this first one in the previous class. Now let's go to the next one. Example 11.7 on page 166 of your textbook. Let me read the question. Two girls, each of weight 400 Newton, climb up a rope through a height of 8 meters. We name one of the girl A and the other B. Girl A takes 20 seconds, while B will take 50 seconds to accomplish the same task, climbing the steps. What is the power expended or developed by each girl? So let us start. There are two cases, two girls. So case 1, let us take for the first girl. So as we read the question, we can clearly see weight, according to question, weight of girl A. And we know in our previous chapters the weight is and force are same, and both of them are mg. So weight of girl A we can write as mg, because the blue is mg. So in place of the blue we can just write mg is equal to 400 Newton. Okay, so we'll skip like that. Then height to which she climbed, look into your question, 8 meters. So h equal to 8 meters is the height or displacement, whatever she went up above the ground level, above the stair level, ground level. And then the time she took was 20 seconds. The time taken to climb 8 meters for the first girl is 20 seconds. So everything is in SI unit, so that's fine. SI unit of height is meter, time is second, and mass or weight or force is for Newton. So everything is in SI unit. So therefore, let you write here, okay, once before we solve. Where this PA, this is power expended by girl A, the first one. So we know the power formula. We have discussed this in the beginning of the chapter. Power is always work done divided by time. E by T. Formula for power is E by T or W by T. We have learned this in the previous class. So we'll do here work by time. Work and energy are same. So here work done is, how is she doing? She's climbing above the ground. So when she's at 8 meters, the energy developed such is called the potential energy. So work done will be the expression of the potential energy. So the blue will be, or E will be, potential energy formula mgh. So we just write there, and time is TA. Let us put here TA, okay, for the time taken by the girl A, by girl A. So TA is here, just write once TA. Then mass of the girl here, mg is covering this part here, mg, 400 Newton. H is here 8 into 8 meters, this one. Time is here TA, 20 seconds. Everything is in SI unit. Okay, so we can cancel if you want. 0 and 0 cancel. 2 4s are 8. You can just write. Then look here. Slowly we'll do. We already know, but let's do slowly. For T, we know that kg meter per second square and Newton are same. So let us change this Newton this time to this one, kg meter per second square. Here 1 meter is there. Let us not change anything with that. Here second. So we have written like that, right? So you can do like that and show, or I think this is power equation. So directly we can write it in short form instead of showing this. Okay, so okay, just keep it simple for the power. SI unit, everything is in SI unit. So power, so 4s are 16, and here 1 0. Newton, meter, second, everything is SI unit. So SI unit of power we know is watt. So we just write your watt. So we write here power expended by girl A is 160 watt, the first answer. Now case 2, second girl. Let's go there. Each weigh 400 Newton means they have the same mass. So weight of girl B is also, we know weight and force are same and both equal to mg. So in place of the blue we are putting mg here, same. Height to which she climbed, same for the second girl also, she climbed the same height. Then the difference is in the girl A takes 20 seconds last sentence while B takes 50 seconds. So this is the point where it will change. 50 seconds. Let us write here TD, time taken by girl B. Then PA is the power, PB, let us change it to PB, is the power expended by girl B, let us say. Write it down up to here. Okay, so once you're done, everything is going to be same. So this is going to be PB. This is going to be, the blue is weight of the two girls are same, so the blue will not change. This MGH will not change. This will be TB. From here we can do ourselves, I think. This is the only difference, the last two steps. So mg for the second girl also same, 400 Newton into h is here 8 meter divided by TB, time taken in the second case, 50 seconds. So 5 8s are 40 and 0, so 8 8s are 5 8s are 40. Wait, so we have to cancel this 0 weight. This 1 0 here, we can cancel these 2, and then only 8, 5 8, so 8 8s are 64, and the SI unit of power is, we know what. So power developed by the second girl is 64, the first girl is 160. 11.7. So next let's go to point 8, 11.8. Okay, so example 11.8. This will be on page 167, I believe. Yes, watch page 167. 11.8. Page 167 of your textbook. Please go there. A boy of mass 50 kg runs up a stair of 45 steps in 9 seconds. If the height of each step is 15 centimeters, find the power. Find his power. Take G as 10 meters per second squared. So as we read the question very clearly, the mass of the boy M is equal to 50 kg. Let's find SI unit already. Then we see that the height that he climbed is, he climbed 45 steps. Each step is 15 centimeters. So this is the one. And then when we multiply these two, 45 and 15, 25, 22. So we're going to get here, 675 centimeters. But we need to change this centimeter to meter because everything has to be in SI unit. So we know that SI unit of height or distance is meter, and we need to know this kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So we're going to have to change this centimeter to meter, means small to big, so divide. 675 divided by how many places? Don't count first one, 1, 2. So one place is 10, another place 10, 10 and 10, 100. This will become meter. So it will come out as, decimal will move 1, 2 place because of this 2 0, 6.75 meter is the height that is climbed by the boy. Height of the staircase or height climbed. That he climbed. Then the time he took to climb this 6.75 meter is, according to question, 9 seconds. That's fine. Time is already in SI unit. Question is saying use G as 10 meter per second square. So that's fine. Now the power developed by the boy is what the question is asking, I think. Find his power, yes. So question mark is his power, the boy's power. So let us do here. Quite simple, I think. Now since we know power is equal to work divided by time. Now here, the work that is done, work divided by time. So work that is done is, let's see how he's climbing up. He's climbing above the ground. Energy produced due to moving above ground level is potential energy. So this W will become potential energy formula, mgh by time. Mass of the boy is 50 kg. G is 10 meters per second square, as the question gives, and h, height climb, is here, see here, 6.75. 6.75 meter. Everything has to be in SI unit, divided by time is 9 seconds. So we just have to cancel this. Okay, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 3 is going, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 point, 3 2s are 6, 1 in 3 5s are 15. Again 3 is going, so 3, 2 is less than 3 means 0 point first, then 22, 3 7s are 21. 22 is there means 1 in hand, 15, 3 5s are 15. So let us use these two zeros. Then the decimal will move 1 0 to the right, second 0 means here, so it will become 75. This one, no more zeros, you stop here, then 5 only left. So that's our answer, 25, 2 in hand. And 5 7s are 35, 37, so 375, and SI unit of power is watt. So the power developed by the boy, or as he climbed 45 steps above ground level, is 375 watt. Power, okay, we're dealing with the power. One more question, 11.9. Let's go ahead and see. Last question before this test ends. After this, you can go and give the test. Slowly, let's do. Electric bulb 60 watt is used for 6 hours per day. Calculate the units. Units means commercial unit, kWh. Keep that in mind. Of energy consumed in 1 day by the bulb. So just do like this. I think this one does simply since one style. And according to the question, bulb an electric bulb of 60 watt means power is 60 watt, is used for 6 hours, is used for 6 hours, 6 hours per day in 1 day. The question is saying like that. Therefore, energy consumed in 1 day. Let us calculate this. Let us say E. We know that P is equal to W or E by T. So we know E will be P into T. E is P into T. Just write like that once. As we can see from the equation, P is here 60 watt. As you can see, watt is power. Time is here 6 hours. So let us write like that. So this is 6 6 are 36 and 0 watt hour. The question is saying find in units. Units is simply kWh. So we need to change this W to kW. For that we divide by 1000, then W will become kW. And H can remain same, H, hour. Explanation is since we know 1 kW is equal to 1000 watt, okay, 1000 watt. The word K means kilo and kilo means 1000. So you're changing watt to kilowatt means smaller unit to bigger unit, therefore you divide. If you're changing kilowatt to watt, you would have multiplied. So this 0 can cancel. Then 2 more 0 divided means decimal move left. Multiply means right, but divide means left. So 1 to come in to the left of 3, so 0.36 kWh. Point means you can just put your 0 also to make it clear, 0.36 kWh. So 0.36 kWh or kWh is written in the electricity bill simply as units. Units means kWh. So 0.36 units of energy was consumed by this bulb 60 watt in 1 day when it is switched on for 6 hours. That's the meaning. I hope you got it, right? Now I can go and give the test. Okay.